Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. I have a package from Love Posh in front of me. We're going to go ahead and open it together and go through what's in here. So we are looking at the winter release. If you're interested in seeing all the books, stay tuned and I shall share. Okay, let's open this baby up together and I will show you what's in here. I just use my little cloud knife every single time I open packages. I think somebody was asking me where that's from. That is all Amazon, you guys. Yeah, so all Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Beautiful. So we have sticker books and my classic size happy planner, which is, it's going to be my catch-all, you guys, and I will be sharing my lineup very soon. This is the last item that I was waiting for. So after this, I am going to be able to show you guys my lineup. But yeah, let's open up the stickers and go from there. What? Oh my, okay. As always, you get a vinyl sticker, which is gorgeous. I collect these, and then I have this sheet and I will tuck it into my planner. So I carry all of my planners together in one. Oftentimes I will just tuck it like this because it's so beautiful. So we'll actually leave it because I was changing it. Okay, so I have a couple things for you guys. So the winter collection. We have She Clear Lined, which you guys know I am obsessed with the line sticker book, Petals and Pages, and then Winter Love. Let's start with Petals and Pages. It looks like it's a junk journaling dream, and even if you don't junk journal, it should be pretty fun. So let's start with that. It does release on November 24th, which is at 1 p.m. Central Time. And it is going to be, let's see, I think these are 24 because they're 34 pages. And then the Winter Love is $22 because it is 32 pages. So yeah, let's go through this first. So this is on paper, but look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And then these are very realistic, which you guys know I love throwing line art into my stuff. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Okay. And then yeah, very much junk journaling vibe here, at least for me. You guys let me know what you think, but that's where I am with this. I do have a code for you guys. So for 10% off, use PLAN10, PLAN10. It's basically the beginning of Plannerista, right? So like Monday, Friday, all the days. You can use these in so many ways, you guys. I love this. And then you have just paper, right? That you can cut out anything you want out of, which is amazing. So you have more of that. Look at that. So you get 2 pages of each. So if you love one, you don't feel like you're missing anything. And then we have washi strips. They're on paper, but yes. And then alphabet stickers. And you get multiples. And then pink ones. Amazing. And then we have days of the week. So you have Sunday, through Saturday. You have all the months, so you get a couple pages of those, which is amazing. And then we have notes, thoughts, dreams, my ideas, scribbles, doodles, plans, secrets, memories, my lists, my moments, musings, what? I don't know, goals, wishes, to-do lists. And then that repeats in different like font. And then you have dream, doodle do, brain dump, goals jotted down. Little by little, a page becomes your story. Gratitude, tiny thoughts. Every scribble is a step towards clarity, one page at a time. Pour it out, breathe it in, journaling, write it out, memories. The magic is in the margins, dreams, brain dump, and it continues. Pages filled with progress, not perfection. My happy pages, daily scribbles, notes and doodles, and notes. So you get 2 pages of those. Okay, and we have some quotes, so let's go through that. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. So that's Mae West. Life is like a riding bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. It's Albert Einstein. It's better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. It's Adri Guide. Life is either daring adventure or nothing at all. Helen Keller. Life is never easy. There's work to be done and obligations to be met. Obligations to truth, to justice, and to liberty. That's Kennedy. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Buddha. Self-love, my liege, is not a vile sin, as self-neglecting. It's William Shakespeare. In order to write about life, first you must live it. That's Ernest Hemingway. And then happiness and love. And then we have the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. That's Helen Keller. Life is what we make it and how we make it, whether you realize it or not. That's Napoleon Hill. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. Eleanor Roosevelt. Life is ours to be spent and not to be saved. D.H. Lawrence. In the end, it's not the years in your life that counts. It's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Anne Frank. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Robert Morley. Yeah. And then you have more. So it is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Aristotle. The best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. Ernest Hemingway. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Albert Einstein. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. Henry Ford. Yeah, if it was only that simple sometimes, right? The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. And then we have the unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. C. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot on it and hang on. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Life is a flower of which love is the honey. Victor Hugo. And then we have just beautiful moments. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to succeed when they gave up. Thomas Edison. And then you have Dreams. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Beirut. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Margaret Mead. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. It's never too late to be what you might have been. George Eliot. And then beauty begins at the moment you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel. So yes, those are great quotes. I am loving it. They're very inspiring. So this is another 34-page book. It is the Chicly lined, and you guys know I will be obsessed. I think I have 3 or 4 copies of the other lined, beautifully lined sticker book. So obsession is real, and that's what I do. So here we go. Look at this. And then this is on clear pages now. And look how stunning these lilies are. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we have this. Yeah, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys. And then these are black and white, so you could essentially color them if you chose to. So something to think about. This is again on clear. And it's like orange and pink and yellow. Those are good colors. And this is very whimsical. Look at that. I love this. I think out of all of these, this might be my favorite, actually. With all of these like whimsy houses and things. This is stunning as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Grow like a wildflower, live in full bloom, nourish to flourish. Look at all the birds. Oh my gosh. And then let your dreams blossom, wild and free. Where flowers bloom, so do hope. Keep blooming. And then this one, there are always flowers for those who want to see them. Yeah, cute. Okay. And then the last 2 pages are black and white, and those are on clear. And those are absolutely stunning. So they're magnolia flowers, I believe. And I love it. Okay. And then last but not least is our Winter Love. So that one is the 32-page one. It's $22. And I can't wait to show you guys all of this. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this. So whimsical. I love whimsy stickers. I think they make like my favorite spreads. And sometimes the stickers that I don't expect also make the best spreads. So not a lot of Christmas, which is great, right? Because we need things for the winter, because post Christmas the life still goes on. But yeah, these are great. Look at that. That's a good one. This one is Christmas with like the Christmas tree and these. But like if you used everything else except those Christmas elements, I think it's very much winter. So then we have this. Look at that. Then we have these. Like almost like northern lights florals. So a lot of them are on clear and a lot of them are on paper. So this is Christmas, I would say. Yeah. So some of it is Christmas, some of it is not, or like holiday season. But yeah. So there we go. That was Winter Love. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these books. I am so in love with them. I can't wait to show and share with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one's your favorite. I cannot decide right now because, again, I am kind of a Live Love Posh fanatic. But again, if you do end up purchasing from Live Love Posh, if you use code plan 10, that gives you 10% off. I truly appreciate you guys. And I truly appreciate whenever you guys use my codes. I'll see you soon and we'll go from there. Bye.